Buongiorno paesani! Allora, siete pronti per un'altra parola siciliana? Are you ready for another Sicilian word? Well, ora che finisco la scuola, i miei figli si sciarriano sempre. Now that school's over, my kids are always fighting. So that's your word for today, sciarriare. It means to fight. In Italian we say litigare. Oh my God, teenagers. Come fare questi picciotti? C'ho una pazienza. There's another word, pazienza means patience, and in Italian we say pazienza. It's more or less the same, it's similar. But the main word today is sciarriare, means to fight, to argue, litigare. So that's it for today's lesson. Please subscribe to Italiani di Montreale Amici YouTube channel to keep watching my videos. Please subscribe, it's free. The numbers are rising and my heart is growing bigger and bigger every day to see your support, your love. Thank you very much. Grazie a tutti e ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.